Hi guys! Today it's Mama's Corner here at home, Marlina's Mama's Corner. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a vegetable lasagna. Very simple. Of course, all ingredients you're gonna need. White sauce. This is the sauce that I'm gonna need. And red sauce, of course. Tomato sauce, or if you don't have red sauce, you can use tomato sauce. Just grind it. And carrots. Shredded carrots and buttersquash, of course, and zucchini and shredded cheese because I don't have much time to do the shredding of cheese, so at least it's easy for you. And instead of spinach, I'm gonna use beet leaves. This is rich in iron, so I'm gonna replace with beet leaves. And because you need, you're gonna make lasagna, so you need a lasagna pasta, guys. So now, instead of using EOC, I'm gonna use MP5. So you can use also your MP5 Saladmaster of making lasagna. So first, we're gonna need a spoon. This is clear. So MP5 multi-purpose 5 quarts. So you have to put the sauce on the bottom, because you don't need to use any. And you have to mix the red and white sauce. So when you mix it, the color is like this. You see, guys? And now we're gonna put the lasagna pasta first. The first layer. So I'm gonna make 3 layers only, or if you want 4 layers, guys, you can make 4 layers. This cookware, this is MP5, you can make 4 layers or 5 layers, but I want only 3 layers. I don't want to be too thick, so it's easy to cook when it's only 3 layers and faster cooking. So put your zucchini, put your carrots, and put your buttersquash. So it's gonna blend the taste of buttersquash, carrots, and zucchini. And then now second layer again. So you can cut it when it's not fit on your cookware. And then, now put another sauce again. So, kailangan ikalat or mix the sauce on the top of your pasta. And then, another zucchini. And another buttersquash. And the next layer again. Then another sauce. So you have to spread it out, the sauce. So this is second layer, and the third layer again, guys. Okay, and then another layer of vegetable. So this is 3 carrots, guys. Small size of carrots. You don't have to put another sauce on the last layer, because you know the vegetables, it's gonna become watery when you cook it. So, and this is it. Because we don't have a mushroom, so forget the mushroom, it's okay. I'm just gonna add all the vegetable here. Oh, sorry, there's something. It's a beetroot. So I'm just gonna put all this vegetable. It's washed already, guys. I dried it already. And then you can siksik it. And on the top, you're gonna add your cheese. This is 3 cheese, 3 pomades, shredded. So cheese is on the top. Oh, before I forget, guys, I'm gonna add a cottage cheese. Before I forgot, guys, I almost forgot the cottage cheese. If you have fromage cheese or the other one, it's good. So put the cottage cheese. So it's only half of it. So, and then add more cheese on the top. So now I'm gonna show you. So now, after you putting the cheese, you're just gonna put the lid on, and then get your probe. Program it, or the heat. It has to be 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So 370. Ayan na siya, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, you have to put in to your salpat, attached to your MP5 to cook the lasagna. So, when it's click, this Vapo bulb, it's gonna click. When it start clicking, I'm gonna turn it low to 275 degrees or 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in 225 degrees Fahrenheit for for 30 minutes only. So now, after 10 minutes, it started clicking, so I have to turn it low to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. To 25 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, I'm gonna put a timer for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So why I turn it down the heat or the temperature of cooking lasagna, because the reason it's good to turn it low the heat to cook it slowly, and all the nutrients and vitamins of the vegetables, it's gonna be intact, and also it won't burn the bottom side of this cookware. So it doesn't burn the bottom, because I only put the sauce on the bottom. No adding water, because the vegetables, the zucchini, carrots, and butter squash, when it's boiling point, that clicking, it's turned to boiling point, it's gonna create under water. That's how it cooks the lasagna pasta. So when it's done, I'm gonna show you again. So now, it's almost finished, the 30 minutes of my lasagna. So I think it's cooked already, because it's keep clicking now. So it's 30 minutes cooking lasagna. Let's check it out. Oh my god, that's so good though. Okay, let's check inside. Oh, sorry guys. Biglang na ano yung aking. So let's check it out. Oh wow, it's really cooked guys. Look at that. The pasta is not saggy, so it's cooked already, see? It's soft already, the pasta. I'm gonna put back the lid, and it's off already, automatically off. So let's just take this out. So my veggies lasagna is done. Yay! It's dinner time. Thank you guys for watching. God bless us all. Thank you. So now, let's cut the lasagna. Here you go. Wow, it's really good. Looks so yummy. Yummy, yummy lasagna. So now it's really good though, the lasagna, vegetable lasagna. So the pasta, the lasagna pasta, it's not saggy. It's just perfect cooked. So actually the beet leaves is really good for lasagna instead of spinach. Yummy. Bon appetit. Let's eat, guys.